All right, folks, please remain seated with your arms, legs, feet, and hands inside the boat at all times. Folks, if you just wave to my fans up there. All right, everyone. Yeah, don't worry about those people. See my fans? They're up there. They're so cool. They're always there for me. Don't worry about those people. You'll never see them again. You never really saw them before, did you? Now, folks, if you have small children, heck, you got any children, watch them. Half the time my eyes are closed, so I'm not going to be able to watch. So, folks, we're going to start out in the Amazon River. My goodness sakes. Wow. It's going to be a little tough steering here. The Amazon River, you know, it rains 365 days out of the year here. And that's why we have such beautiful water features. If you look right up ahead, this is called Inspiration Falls. Now, some people will ask me, why is it called that? Well, it's called that because, well, I don't know. Yeah, I do. It's because if you watch it long enough, you become very relaxed. And the next thing you know, you're inspired to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle. What did you think? It wasn't that. Oh, see this right here? You know what that is? It's a Jungle Book. Makes sense, doesn't it? All right, folks, now we're going to be headed into the Congo River where our friends the Pygmies are. They always have a nice welcome for us, so let's say hello to... Oh, no. I can't see any. Hello. Canoe? Now, folks, I did hear their warning signal on the drums. Anyone see any reason why they may have ran away? What'd you see? Oh, my goodness, look at the size of that python. Now, some people take that for being a boa, but I think don't really see any feathers on it. Now, folks, this is my Jeep. I couldn't get it started this morning. Believe it or not, Silverback, he's a wonderful mechanic. Give him a monkey wrench. Look at him. He's at least got it to turn over. It's turned over. By the way, that reminds me, orientation. This is the top. This is the bottom. If the bottom becomes the top, top becomes the bottom, swim. I keep soap in my pockets because that way I'll wash right ashore. All right, folks, now we're in the Nile River. The Nile River goes for Niles and Niles and Niles. If you don't believe me, you're in what? Nile. To Africa, actually. All right, so look at the ears on him. Always irritated she is. So check right here. This is our sandstone formation. Now, some people take it for granite, but really I think it's one of our boulder attractions. Now, folks, now we're going to take just a little room. Kids, I want you to really see this. Go ahead and take a look right up here in the rocks. You're going to see Z the zebra. She is the most rare zebra in all the world. We're lucky to have her here, and she looks dead. Dead tired. Don't worry, kids. She's fine up there, by the way, parents. She was rare, wasn't she? It's the every other white meat. Zebra, it's what's for dinner. All right, folks, if you look right here, you're going to see the second law of the jungle right there is don't be the low man on the totem pole. That guy in the bottom is going to get the point in the end. Woo! Ouch, that's going to hurt. He's been up there for months, though. I'm just wondering how long his arms are going to hold out. All right, folks, now we're headed down towards Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls is named after that famed explorer, Dr. Albert. Anyone know what his last name was? What was it? Falls. Yeah, Albert Falls. Who said Schweitzer? Where do you get that from? Now, folks, when you've been out of the... You know, sometimes people ask me, Bill, how in the world did you land this job as a Jungle Cruise skipper? I just told people, I think it's plain to see that I took a crash course and I've been winging it ever since. I've been hoping at some point my career would take off, but as you can see, still grounded. Folks, when you've been out in the jungle as long as I have, well, you smell. Danger, you smell danger. Don't worry, folks. I'll shoot these guys. These guys have taken out 3 boats today. Shoo! 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 I hate that sound. Oh, you thought I was going to shoot them. They don't even give us any bullets for these things. Oh no, this does not look like a good place to be headed. Look at those boneheads over there. See these guys up there? Looks like to me they lost the key to the men's room again. Oh no, everyone get down, get down. If you've got small children, hold them up. They're smaller targets. Booga booga. Booga booga booga. Booga booga booga. Booga 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 booga. Booga booga. And folks, don't worry about looking stupid, okay? I'm already doing that for you. That's free. Right behind us, folks, the eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of water. Yee! Yippee! Ooh! Wow! Yippee! 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 What's your name? What's his name? Asus. Hey, pal. Check this out, folks. Now we're headed into... Wait a second. We were not supposed to be going in here. Wait. Oh, no. Everyone, please remain seated with your arms, legs. Oh, no. Very painful. Root canal. Snakes. More snakes. I hate snakes. Why is it always gotta be snakes? And big red spiders. We are still in the Mekong River, which is in Cambodia. So this is where our Asian elephants are. So these guys actually, if you can tell the difference, they have much smaller ears. They're not nearly as irritated as those African version. This is their bathing pool, but go ahead and take as many photos as you like, because it does appear that they all have their trunks on. Trunks. Oh, don't worry about these guys. They're very nice. They're kind of ornery, though. They do like to kind of have a little fun with the water. You just got to watch it. Whoa, look out. Oh, no, he's got me. Oh, no, don't worry. He won't do that again unless he bubbles. Oh, no, look out. Duck, 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 duck. There's no ducks. Sometimes there's ducks. By the way, people ask me, is that real water? And I say no. It's not. Folks, now we're headed back into the most dangerous part of our tour, which is back into the dock area. So, folks, of course, you know you're not going to get off of a Disney attraction without what? Souvenir shop. This is him. Trader Sam. He's the head salesman here at the Jungle Cruise. He's got a really good deal going on. 2 of his heads for just 1 of yours. Come on, folks. No matter how you slice it or dice it, you're going to come out ahead. All right, folks, looks like to me we're just about headed back in. Do me a favor, everybody that's on this side, remember you're going to go back out that back door. That's the same door you came in. Everyone on the other side, of course, you're going to go out that side door. That's the way you came in. And everyone's please going to remain seated with your arms, legs, feet, and hands inside the boat at all times. Especially on this side, watch your elbows, watch your fingers as we're coming in. We get really close to this dock, and you do not want that kind of peer pressure. So, folks, this is, you know what? I just wanted to share this one last thing that my folks shared with me. When I graduated high school at age 27, they said, Bill, the free ride's over. Get out.